Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hard reset your Moto G3 version. The operation is easy to do and helps if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need the power of the device. As you see, my software doesn't work properly. It has just some lag. Okay, now press and hold volume down and power button together. Okay, release boot key and choose recovery mode. Accept by power. Okay, and now press power button and 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Press power button holding and press 1, 2 by volume down and 1 for volume up. And here you have a secret menu from you're gonna choose wipe data factory reset, accept by power, user data and personalized content, accept by power, phone as formatting data, cache, and that's all. Now reboot system now by power, and now phone gonna be start with the new brand software without any password and with a new fresh firmware. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!